welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Push Tech. Wherever you're watching me for, don't forget to like my video, subscribe, and follow me by turning off your notification. So today we want to quickly look at this Cband setup. Now, sometimes you find out that you have some symbol rate and frequency that are not the linear one, the one you know, the one that has H and what and V. Some of them come with R and L on only C band, not KU band. KU band, all of them are linear. Nothing like R and nothing like L under KU band. But under C band, we have something like R and something like L. So when you have something like that, what do? You need something like what we call a dielectric. Dielectric. It's not this very one, but I couldn't lay my hands on any, so you can cut a glass to this shape like this. A dielectric is to make sure that the C band is converted to the circular C band frequency is converted to what? A linear frequency. So this is what it does. So in instances like the way you have this, you have something like this. You have 433R 5416. The arrow here is a circular polarization. So we want to convert it to our normal linear polarization. So we just hold on as we go through it step by step. Okay, so we have situation like this because a lot of people have want to know how to set up this. When sometimes if you want to track some C band, you will not get the normal frequency and symbol rate. What you have now, you see something like this. You see something like this, 433R and a 5416, 433L, 5423. So this is what we call circular frequencies. They are not the regular frequencies. So what you do to make it the regular frequency, which is a normal horizontal and vertical, which is our H and V. What you do, the device you use to set it up to make it to be our normal frequency is what they call a dielectric. Some people call it a triphone. They call it biscuit, or I don't know any name they call it, but it's something of this shape like this. It's not exactly this, but it's something like this. You can cut a glass. If you get your LMB, you get it like this. And it's majorly for only C band LMB. You don't use it for K. You don't use it for something like this. You don't use it for something like this. You don't use it for something like this. Something like this you use it for. So it's for C band setup. So what we do now, I will try to explain to you that the R means vertical, while the L means horizontal. So you do the setup here. If you don't put the dielectric, you won't get the signal. So now facing me like this, using this as a focal point. These are our LB port here. Facing up like this. No, normally if you face up like this, is vertical. Up or like this. Using this as a focal point, this is vertical. While like this is horizontal. Like this or like this is horizontal. Like this, vertical. Like this, vertical. Like this, horizontal. Like this, horizontal. So if I want to put this my dielectric, since I've known that this one now 4333R, if you go to your satellite finder, you won't see anything like arrow, you won't see anything like L. You still see the V and the H. So if you want to input it manually, just input 4333. This arrow will now be vertical. You insert this, then To convert this arrow to this vertical you've entered in your satellite finder, this is where you use your biscuit. So this is arrow, you say is vertical. So let's put this in as vertical. Vertical is like this, straight up, line from up down, like this. So either you put it like this or you put it like this, they are vertical. So let's use this. So you set up your biscuit, I call it biscuit or dielectric, to also be vertical like this. So when you bring it like this, you bring it like this, you go to the back like this. You see the line here, there's a line in between. I don't know if you can see it. It comes with a line, there's a line in between. You see a line here. All you need to do is to put it like this, the way it is like this. Put it like this, inside like this, where the line is like this. You can see like this. Put it in the middle. You see the line will be there for you as a guard. So you put it like this. So you've got your vertical setup like this. You've got a vertical setup like this. You can see the dielectric like this. Okay, so that is for that. So let's see the other one. The other one is L433, L5423, and L is horizontal. So these are horizontal setup like this, horizontal like this or like this. Using this as a focal point, like this or like this. So if it's like this, your dielectric, you make it like this. Make it like this, then you take it back like this. Take it back like this, or you just maintain like this. Go like this. Go like this. Go like this. You make it like this. No, the other one we did like this because it was vertical. That's horizontal. Put it like this. So this is how you set up your horizontal, like this, like this, like this, like this. So that's how you set it up. Then you insert it into this place. Insert it into this place. That is the LMB seats, like this. Tie it like this. Then you move it to where your dish is, like this. Then you fix it to the 3 LME holder here. And that's how you set up your dielectric. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe, like, and share my video. Bye bye.